Hi guys, this is my newest motor glider. It is ready to fly, I think. I made this from balsa and foam. The wings made from foam with carbon strips reinforcement. So I built them for microservo to can control flaps and ailerons, and I use weightails. They made from balsa wood, and I use a little motor on the nose, and I can make I made some controls, aileron movements with tails. Maybe I can trim the surfaces, and it can work together with the flaps. I use crow brake, and thermal 2 mode, and the motor with a switch, and this switch can rise the I just want to let's see. In this moment there is a 2-cell LiPo in the fuselage, but I will change it 3 cells maybe in the future after some test flight. Thank you guys for the watching.